Welcome back to Joe Talks Cars, and welcome back my Cayman 987 to the channel. For the first time this year, I've decided to bring the Cayman out and film a video, and I thought what better way to celebrate this awesome car than take it out, get it filthy on the beautiful roads I have around near my house, and bring it here to Kinship Coffee. This is a coffee shop I've wanted to visit for a while, and getting this pole position place outside means I'm going to get an epic photo of it too. Many of you will be new here, and that's because my Range Rover content has been, well, quite successful. A lot of you have subscribed and ready to watch more and more Range Rover content. But if you're new here and you haven't already seen this car, this is my 2006 Cayman S 987. This car has had everything thrown at it. A new engine, new suspension, new everything. It's fully restored and ready to take on the year. And in today's video, I wanted to talk about that. The plans I've got for this car, and to reassure all my subscribers that subscribe to watch this car that it's gone nowhere. And the content is going to be great this year. So if you haven't already subscribed, then please make sure you do so you don't miss a single upload on this car. Without further waffle from me, let's go for a drive. We'll talk about the future plans for this car. Oh, I've missed this car. I have missed bringing this car out. Now, a lot of you have recently subscribed because of Range Rover content. But if you haven't seen this car before, then this is my 2006 Cayman 987S. And it's what started my channel all those years ago. People have subscribed for this, watched this car, and seen me plough thousands of pounds into maintaining it. And I absolutely love it. And today I plan to bring it out, do a coffee run, get some cinematic drive-bys, some drone shots, and just make a very, very lovely video. But unfortunately, the weather gods have other plans, and they've covered the entire place with fog, which is just not lifting. I came out in the middle of the night practically to get that parking space outside that cafe, expecting this fog to have lifted and the sun might have actually shown its face, but no, it hasn't. So instead, what I'm going to do in this video is talk to you about my plans for the car, what I intend to do with it, because 2026 is going to be a massive, massive year for my channel. And talking of the channel, what a journey it has been. Next month marks year 5 on YouTube. I've been on it for 5 years. You've been listening to me witter on, moan about the cost of things, and generally annoy everyone with my opinions for 5 years. And you've all stuck with it. And I just want to say a massive thank you for putting up with me for this long, because YouTube has changed my life, completely changed my life. When I started for all those years ago at the side of the road with an iPhone, the last thing I expected to be doing was driving half of the things that I've been given the opportunity to have. Press cars, drives in Ferraris, performance Audis, you name it, I've driven it. I never really expected that. YouTube has changed my life in more ways than I can possibly convey on camera. And it's allowed me to run this car. And despite it costing me all this money, YouTube helps. It justifies this car. And I also feel a sense of responsibility that I need to maintain it, and I need to bring content to the channel on this car. Which is why in 2026, I have huge plans for the channel and for this car. Because as you'll have seen over the last 5 years, all I've done is throw money at it, replacing the engine, replacing all the suspension, the coolant pipes, the brakes, everything. Everything's been done. The exhaust, literally there is nothing left on this car to be replaced. Everything's been replaced, refreshed, and generally feeling incredible. The last thing I had done at the back end of last year was the suspension, and it's completely transformed the car. You get in it, and that first turn-in on the first bend you get to, it's unbelievable. So I feel it's about due to go on a European adventure, which is what I have planned for this year. I'm going to be taking this car back into Europe because I didn't manage it last year, and we're going to be visiting the Nürburgring among many other places. I'm not just doing a typical Nürburgring video, but this time we're going to be doing a full Euro road trip, going through France and Germany, and we might even drop into Switzerland and have a little go on some of the roads they've got around there. Yeah, the plans I have for that road trip are incredible, and if you haven't already subscribed, then you'll definitely want to consider doing so now, because you don't want to miss that. It's gonna be amazing. A group of mates heading out into Europe and finding some of the greatest roads on offer. The other things I want to do to this car this year is, well, quite simply, keep it maintained. Of course, things may break, things may go wrong, and I plan to sort all those as they happen, along with tidying up a little bit of bodywork issues as well. It's got a little bit of rust around the front arches, and I want to get that sorted, and I've also bought some little modifications to add to the outside of the car as well. Nothing crazy, keep it very OEM plus, but I think you'll all approve of them as well. Then there's a couple of wild card videos I've got planned. One is car camping. It's a massively popular thing at the moment. People sticking tent boxes on and camping in their cars, and I just thought maybe I should go and find some UK roads that I really want to drive on, but they're maybe a little bit too far away to get there for sunrise. So maybe I could camp in the car and then attack some of the best roads in the UK before anyone's even got out of bed. But there isn't a huge amount of room in here, but I also have a solution for that. So you're gonna have to subscribe, because that's all in the making. I'm currently thinking of solutions as to how I can camp in this car successfully. But finally, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to every single person that's taken the time to support my little channel over these last few years. It means so much that you're still here watching it. Some of you comment on every video. Some of you give me praise. Some of you DM me. I get seen in the street and people shake my hands. It genuinely means so much. And I want to say thank you so much for every single person that supported me, because it's changed my life in ways that I never imagined. When I started this channel at the side of the road with an iPhone, I never expected it to lead to this point where I'm driving around in a fully restored Cayman 987, and on my driveway at home is a Range Rover Sport. Both dream cars by all accounts, and I've got them both. So with all the plans I have for the next year with this car and my Range Rover, I don't think there's been a better time to subscribe to my channel, because you don't want to miss a single upload this year. Honestly, it's going to be incredible. I'm going to hit 20,000 subscribers, and the channel is just going to progress on from there. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this slightly underwhelming video. If you've enjoyed it, then please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for plenty more videos like this one to come. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.